Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer comment résoudre ces problèmes dans votre Google AdSense account. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix the ad text file issue on your Google AdSense. Okay, so what that mean in French, ça veut dire en français, on dit bénéfices à risque. On dit earning at risk. You need to fix some ad.txt file issue to avoid severe impact to your revenue. Bénéfices à risque, vous devez résoudre certains problèmes liés au fichier ad.txt afin d'éviter tout impact grave sur vos revenus. Donc, si vos revenus AdSense, donc comment résoudre ces problèmes? So how are we going to fix this problem? Okay, to fix this problem, we're gonna have to click fix now ou learn more. Okay, donc moi je vais cliquer, I'm going to click fix now. Okay, so we are going to click fix now. We are clicking fix now. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is to download the file. Okay, so we are going to download this file. Okay, this is the file. Okay, I need to upload this file on my website main domain à partir de cPanel. Donc I'm going to do that. On doit maintenant ajouter ce texte là dans notre site internet. So after finishing downloading that file, that ad file, so it's here. So this is the file actually. Ça c'est le fichier en question que vous voyez ici à mon bureau. So now I'm going to log in on my cPanel. Okay. Donc je vais aller au cPanel de mon site internet. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm on my cPanel. Okay, so je suis dans le cPanel de mon site. So you come to File Manager. Je vais cliquer File Manager. Ok, donc à partir d'ici, vous venez dans Public HTML. So you must come to Public HTML. Okay, so from here we are going to upload that file inside here. So I'm going to click Upload, select. Il faut localiser ce file. Il est au bureau. This is the file. Okay, so we are going to select this file. It's gonna upload it. Il a fini, so it's done uploading it. So everything should be working. So yeah, perfect. This over, the file is somewhere. Okay, so this is the file we just uploaded on our website. So this is the file uploaded on my website, as you can see here. So this is how you fix this problem, you're earning at risk on your Google AdSense. So this is how you fix it. So this problem will be fixed anytime. So when you're done uploading the file, all you're gonna have to do is to wait until Google fix it automatically from that side. Okay, quand vous finissez, la seule chose que vous devez faire, c'est d'attendre. Google va régler le reste. So if download is not available here, donc si l'option télécharger n'est pas encore disponible dans votre Google AdSense, how we are going to fix this thing? All you're gonna have to do is to go learn more. You click learn more from here. Okay, so it's gonna take you to Google AdSense website. Okay, donc on va copier ce texte là. So you're gonna copy this ID. Okay, so you copy this ID. You're gonna have to open Notepad. Okay, you can go to Notepad. Okay, yeah. So this is Notepad, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so when you paste it here, all you're gonna have to do is to find your Google AdSense. I'm going to my account. So trouver your publisher ID. So you're gonna have to find your publisher ID. This is my publisher ID. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this publisher ID. This only the numbers. Okay, now vous venez ici, you're gonna have to replace all those zeros, okay, by your publisher ID. When you're done, you're gonna have to save this file. Okay, you call this file ads. Simply call it ads, okay, and you save it. If you don't have the download option, so this is another way you can add your publisher ID on your main website. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys another easy way to do this is to download a plugin. You're gonna come add new plugin, vous venez ajouter un nouveau plugin. Donc ça c'est la façon la plus simple. Okay, so we are going to find a plugin called ads.txt. Celui-là a 200 000 utilisateurs actifs. It's got 200,000 active users. So I'm going to install this one. This is the easiest way. Ça c'est la façon la plus simple. So when it's done, quand ça finit, on va activer le plugin. We're going to activate the plugin. When you're done downloading and you install it, you're gonna have to come to setting. Okay, vous venez dans paramètres and you come to add and set here. You click here. Okay, so from here, à partir d'ici, vous cliquez ici. Here, okay, edit. Cliquez ici. Ensuite, vous collez ce texte ici. The publisher ID. So we're gonna have to paste this text here. So when you paste it here, all you're gonna have to do is click save. So from here you can also specify where you want to show ads, on your website. You can say home page, you can say categories, you can do any way you want. Okay, so this is how it works. Donc voilà, c'est comme ça on fait pour résoudre ces problèmes. Okay, now this is how you solve earning at risk on your Google AdSense.